Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the mustard greens in Heartopia. So in this Heartopia, in this latest update, has the new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic event, and at this event you will get the new wild greens or new ingredients to cook any limited food in this event. One of them is mustard greens, and to get these mustard greens you can just go to the fishing village, more precisely at the lighthouse area, this area. So just go to this area and then walk around to this area until you get the plants that looks like this, the wild greens that looks like this, and then next just tap on pick button to pick it, and like this you will get the mustard greens automatically, and then just walk around again until you can get more mustard greens. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.